Good morning, dear students of St. Andrew's School. I hope you are staying at home and staying safe. Today we will study maths. So let us begin our study. This is exercise 5A. Complete the division facts by making equal groups. First question is divide 8 oranges equally among 2 children. The number of oranges each child gets is 4. Okay, and you can determine answer of this question by divide 8 by 2. Okay, and then we get 4 in answer. Okay, so children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself because this is very easy exercise. Okay, now children, we move on next exercise. This is exercise 5b. Use repeated subtraction and write the division facts for each of following. First question is 24 sorry 20 sorry first question is divide 24 by 4. Okay, to solve this question we have to subtract 4 from 24, then we will get 20. Now we will subtract 4 from 20, then we will get 16. Then we will subtract 4 from 16, then we will get 12. Then we will subtract 4 from 12, then we will get 8. Now we will subtract 4 from 8, then we will get 4. Now we will subtract 4 from 4, then we will get 0. Children's, we subtract continuously till we get 0. Okay, so children's, we get 0 after 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, 4 time, 5 time and 6 time. Children's, we get 0 after 6 times, so we will write 6 in answer. Okay, so children's, you will solve rest of all questions yourself like this question. Okay, now we move on next exercise. This is exercise 5c. Using number lines, divide each of the following and find the quotient. Here dividend is 12, so we will start from 12. Okay, then jump backward 4 steps at a time till you reach 0. Okay, children, how many times did you jump to reach 0? You made 3 jumps, so our answer is 3, so we will write 3 in box. So children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself in this exercise like first question. Now we move on next exercise. This is exercise 5d. Write the long form of division. And A question is divide 24 by 6 equal to 4. We will write it in long form of division as, okay, see in picture. Got it? Now we move. Okay, got it, children? Children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself because this is very easy exercise. Okay, now we move on next exercise. Exercise 5e. Find the quotient and the remainder. We have to divide 17 by 2. We know that very well. 2 8 is 16. So we will write 8 in the ones place of the quotient, and we will write 16 below the 70. 17. Okay, now we will subtract 16 from 17, then we will get 1 as remainder. So we will write remainder equal to 1 and quotient equal to 8. So children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself in this exercise like first question. Now we move on. Next exercise, exercise 5F. Find the quotient and the remainder. First question is, we have to divide 48 by 2, and we know that very well, 2 2 ja 4. So we will write 2 in the tens place of the quotient, and we will write 4 below the 4. Now we will subtract 4 from 4, then we will get 0 as remainder. Now we will bring down 8 to the right side of 0. Now we will divide 8 by 2, then we get 4. Sorry, now we will divide 8 by 2, then we will write 4 in the ones place of the quotient, and we will write 8 below the 8, and then we will subtract 8 from 8, then we will get 0 as remainder. So quotient equal to 24 and remainder equal to 0. So children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself in this exercise. Okay, now we move on. Next exercise, find the quotient and the remainder. First question is, we have to divide 648 by 2. We know that very well, 2 3 ja 6. So we will write 3 in the hundreds place of the quotient. Okay, I repeat it again. We will write 3 in the hundreds place of the quotient, and we will write 6 below the 6. Now we will subtract 6 from 6, then we will get 0. Now we will bring down 4 to the right side of 0. Now we will divide 4 by 2, then we will get, then we will write 2 in the tens place of the quotient, and we will write 4 below the 4. Now we will subtract 4 from 4, then we will get 0 as remainder. Children's, now we will bring down 8, and we will divide 8 by 2, and then we will write 4 in the ones place of the quotient, and we will write 8 below the 8. Now we will subtract 8 from 8, then we will get 0 remainder. Okay, so quotient is 324 and remainder is 0. So children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself in this exercise like first question. Children, now we move on. Next exercise, this is same as exercise 5G. Okay, and next exercise is 5I. This exercise is also same as exercise 5G, so you can do it very easily. So children, you will solve exercise 5E yourself. In this exercise you have to find quotient and the remainder, and you can find it very easily like previous exercise. Now we move on. Next exercise, exercise 5J, and first question is, 72 books need to be arranged in 8 shelves such that each shelf has equal number of books. Find the number of books in each shelf. To determine the answer of this question, we have to divide 72 by 8. Okay, and we know that very well, 8 9 are 72. So we will write 9 in the ones place of the quotient, and we will write 72 below the 72. Now we will subtract 72 from 72, then we will get 0. Okay, so our answer is 9 books. Okay, so we will write the number of books in each cell equal to 9 books. Okay, got it, children? So children, you will solve rest of all questions yourself in this exercise. Okay, like first question. Now we move on next exercise. This is mental maths question and this is revision exercise. You will solve this exercise yourself. Okay, children, complete your work in maths, then click the photo and send it in group. Thank you and have a nice day.